If there was an award for the most crashing app, I'll bet Aftermotion would have won that award.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the f***?
Hi guys. First of all, thank you very much for 6,000 subscribers. I can't believe we have completed the journey between 5K to 6K subs in a month. You guys are awesome. So do you want to create that trending microwave edit also called as time remapping in 5 minutes? You have chosen the right video, which will make your edits hit millions of views. You can just create them in your mobile phone. No PC or laptop needed. Just some creativity, skills, and patience. You need only 2 apps Aftermotion and Node Video. I will provide the links in description if you don't have. And hit that subscribe button and turn the notification button on if you don't want to miss the future amazing contents of this channel, which will help you to go viral. Now enough of introduction. Here is the preview.
Well, I do. I have been in a team
Open Alight Motion. Adjust the clip according to the song beats. If it is Twixter, then speed up the clip and fill it to current composition. And copy the clip. Create a new project. Paste the layer and export it at 60 frames per second. Now open Node Video. Add the clip exported from Aftermotion. Add time remapping effect. And add the keyframe at the middle of the clip. And go to last keyframe and reduce it to 0. Adjust the graph like me. And add optical flow and enable HD slow. And export it at my settings. Now open Aftermotion. Delete the previous clip. Add the new clip. Place the pivot point on the face of the character. And add keyframe at first and last. Increase the size of the clip in the middle. And adjust graph like me. Copy the graph. Paste it to all keyframes and invert the graph in second keyframe. Add motion blur effect and adjust it. Now repeat the same process to other beats and clips. So subscribe if this video helped you. So thanks for watching.